Well, the Brooks family of realtors not only enjoys fishing fish, we spend a lot of time on the water, at least I do, bass fishing, but we have a little pontoon boat that's little, 24 foot long that we enjoy out here in the summertime, taking the grandkids out on the lake, watching the fireworks here at the 4th of July in Guntersville, and just enjoy being on the water. We have a little motorhome we keep over at Little Mountain Marina here, and just enjoy the outdoors. The only problem we've had this year is we've been so busy in real estate, we really hadn't had time to get on the water like we used to do, because real estate has really gotten good, and we've been so blessed this year in real estate. And our company, Exit Realty of Valley, is setting sales records every month on sales, and so it's just a real blessed time to be in real estate in the North Alabama area. We have 2 or 3 listings on the lake. We thought we'd come over here and